Hello. 2 days before, I met a stranger, a person in the street. He came near me and asked like this: I want to go to main road. How to go to main road? What? You want to go to main road? I start laughing, but I didn't laugh, but I was thinking this person is something weird. I went near him and I asked, which place you want to go? Tell me the place, I will guide you. Again, he told like this: I want to go to main road. How to go to main road? What person are you? I started thinking many things about that person. Again, I went to him and asked, see, there are four directions in this street. If you take right, around 3 kilometers, you can find a main road. If you take left, around 6 kilometers, there is a main road. If you take straight, there will be a bridge within 3 kilometers. If you cross the bridge, there is a main road. If you take back, you can find a main road within 6 kilometers near a bakery. There is a bakery to the near. There is a bridge. I told him like this. He stared at me like this and went to his bike and sat on it. Again, I went with patience. See, I had many poor patience that time. I went near him and I asked, where you want to go? Tell me the place. Don't get frightened about me. Don't feel anything. What's your problem? I asked. He told me like this. I want to go to Munichalai. That's my home. Finally, he told the place. I told, you want to go to Munichalai, right? See, you take 3 kilometers from this left. You can find a bridge. There's a bridge. You cross the bridge, you can go to Munichalai. It will be around 8 kilometers from here. I told like that. He went. He didn't say anything. He went. What happened exactly there? What happened exactly there? No starting. How to start a communication, he don't know. What is the content? What is the content he have to tell? What is the thing he have to ask? He don't know. He didn't prepare anything. He didn't end the conversation politely, gently. Nothing happened. He came near me. He asked some questions which is not clear. He went. Nobody will appreciate this. Nobody will appreciate. I'm going to teach 3 things: how to start a communication, how to prepare for a communication, what to tell to yourself before going to start a communication. These 3 things you are going to learn. How to start a communication. If you're going to talk to a stranger or a known person, even he might be a friend or a colleague, if you are having good conversation with him, it's not a problem. For a stranger, if you're going for functions, you might meet many persons, relatives whom you don't know. That time, how you can talk, how you can start a conversation. First, you have to have a smile in your face. Look at the person. Have eye contact. Have eye contact and do a smile. Just a gentle smile. If the person react to you, even he started to smile, then he is accepting you. Okay? While you smile, when you smile, the person who is looking at you started to smile, then he is accepting you. Go near to him. Have a gap, a gentle gap, around 1 feet. 1 feet, around 2 feet is enough, not more than that. Have a gap. Introduce yourself. Who you are, where are you from? A short introduction. Then you can start the communication. While having communication, you have to do this. If your communication is going for a long period of time, you have to appreciate the person. You have to give compliment to the person whom you are speaking with. It's more important because the person must have you in his mind, his or her mind. Then you have to appreciate him. You can tell, see, you have a good muscle. I think you go for gym, go to gym. You're maintaining your health, right? You have a good muscle. I think you are a hardworking person. You can tell like this. That time he will feel this person is complimenting me, appreciating me. Oh, I am great. That time he get that feeling. Second thing, how to prepare. before going to a conversation. You have to prepare well. Whom you are going to talk, what you are going to talk. Is it necessary there? Are you going to get benefit? You and the person whom you are speaking with going to get benefit. You have to plan this. Whom you are going to talk, what you are going to talk. Then finally, is it going to bring benefits? Three things you have to prepare. Then finally, what you have to tell to yourself. What you have to tell to yourself before going to start a conversation. You have to tell, is the conversation is truth? What you're going to tell is truth. Second, is it going to bring kindness to you on the other person you're going to speak? Is it going to bring kindness to the person you are going to speak and yourself? Second thing. Third, is it necessary? Is it important there? Three things you have to identify. If the conversation is truth, what you're going to make? Is it going to bring something necessary or important there? You have to analyze these three questions. It's more important. Then, what is the way you are going to speak? You have to be more polite. You have to be more polite while speaking. You should not shout. If the person is somewhere far away from you, you can't call him, hey buddy, hey Krishnan, hey Lalita. Even in a crowd it may bring some, it will be annoyed, right? It's not the right way. You have to go near the person and you can start the conversation like this. You have to have eye contact. You should not see here and there. You not stare at the person or opening WhatsApp. That time it's not a good conversation. You have to see his eyes while talking, whatever you do. You have to have eye contact is more necessary. Then a fact is there here about a conversation. There is a wonderful fact. Many teachers when we are doing schooling, teachers used to tell like this. What is that? Keep your finger on the lips. Keep the finger on your lips. Keep the finger on your lips. Why they are telling that? I don't like that statement. See, we people have to speak right. From schoolings, we are brought up like that. We should not speak to the other person. We should not speak to the strangers. They are problematic. They will do something which is not good for you. We are taught like that. I hate that thing. The teachers which used to teach us, keep your finger on the lips. It's not the right way. I suggest the education system to stop doing that. It's not a good thing for people who wish to grow in their life. Then, I'm going to give an activity for you. A wonderful activity. Go to a person who you wish to speak. It may be your lover. It may be a good friend who you want to speak, but you don't know how to start a conversation. Or a relative who used to have a conversation. Or a colleague, whomever. Go immediately go to him and start a conversation by using these methods, which I told in this video. It will be more useful for you. Definitely it's going to help you. You can start a conversation like this and the content and end the conversation by saying thank you or whatever. It's going to be beneficial for you. Definitely you use this thing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find a good content in this video, share to your friends. Like this video, and finally, if you are not a subscriber for this video, for my videos, click the subscribe button and watch the upcoming videos. Definitely it's going to be helpful for you. I am doing for you people. Thanks for watching. Bye.